What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Money Plug. Today, we're diving into how people are making serious money with AI tools right now. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for income opportunities. Let's kick things off with ChatGPT. This tool is empowering people to run entire side hustles. From writing blog posts to automating customer service, the possibilities are endless. The secret? It's all about mastering the art of prompting. Good prompts lead to good money, and those who learn this early are ahead of the curve. Next up is Midjourney, where creativity meets cash. Freelancers are raking in thousands by designing everything from thumbnails to t-shirt prints. Imagine selling AI-generated art on Etsy while you sleep. That's the dream. Now, let's talk about ElevenLabs. Voice AI is booming, allowing you to clone voices for podcasts and audiobooks without recording a thing. Some entrepreneurs are creating faceless YouTube channels that sound human, and they're monetizing fast. And then there's ElevenLabs, the future of video creation. This tool turns text into stunning motion visuals, making professional videos accessible to everyone. No cameras, no studios, just pure creativity unleashed. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing those who don't adapt. If you've been waiting to start something online, now's your moment. Learn these tools, test them out, and carve your own path to success. Before we wrap up, don't miss our $250 giveaway. To enter, just subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. It's simple, it's free, and you could be our next winner. So tell me in the comments, which AI tool do you think will make the biggest impact in 2025? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.